So we've been learning about nonfiction books. We've been talking about topics. Um, as you read, it is good to look at the book and see what the topic is about, but also use what you learn about a topic and make an all about book. So today we're going to be talking about making a mini book. Um, the first thing about mini books is if you look at the cover um, on the practice on the slide, you will see a little mini book. It says all about guinea pigs because we did read a book about all about guinea pigs. So now um, I'm going to make a little book about all about mini pigs of my own, of the information that I learned. Now, I don't have to write the whole book. I don't have to copy the book. It's my mini book. So I'm going to take the information that I like and I learned, and I'm going to put it in a little book. And as you can see, look at the cover, all about guinea pigs. It has the title, it has the author's name, so it could be by Mrs. Watkins and her students, or it would be your name there for the author. And then you make an illustration, a little picture about the mini book. Then on the next page, you will write a fact about the topic. On the first page of this one, it says guinea pigs were brought to Europe by Spanish sailors 400 years ago. And there's a picture of a boat. And it looks like the little guinea pigs in the boat. And then on the second page, it says guinea pigs have sturdy bodies and short legs. And there is a picture of that. And then on the third page, it says they come in many different colors and have different types of coats. And so there is another picture. So as you go through your book, think about what you would like to mention about the topic. Now, you don't have to do guinea pigs. You can pick any topic that you are interested in or you have read about. The facts go together on the same page. All the facts that go together are on the same page, and the illustration or the pictures are related to the fact on the page. So as you read today, or hopefully you've read a nonfiction book already, and I want you to think about how you are going to make a book to show what you have learned. As you put your book together, think of how you're going to organize it, draw pictures, use the example above here to make your own mini book from about a nonfiction topic. There is a link down below that you can click, and there are pages that you can print off to use, or you can just take some paper that you have at home and make a little book from the paper and staple it together or fold it together and make a little mini book. So that is what I would like you to do today. After reading the read aloud, Sky Sisters, then I would like you to go ahead and think of a nonfiction topic that you would like to make a little mini book with. Then you can take a picture and send it to your teacher so she can see what you have put together.